I'm going to take you to my YouTube earnings of this month because a lot of people don't know my YouTube earning of this month. So some people, they have been asking me how much did I earn on YouTube this month. Yeah, and you have been asking me how much I earn on YouTube throughout this month. I'm here to clarify you guys on my YouTube earning of this month. I didn't shoot too much videos on this channel throughout this month, or I mean throughout last month. Throughout last month, I did not shoot too much videos throughout last month, and I'm here to show you guys how much I got from YouTube throughout last month. My YouTube earnings uh, for the month of March. We are in April, so I'm going to take you through the YouTube earnings of March. You understand, on my channel. So if you want to see how much I got from last month, from the beginning to the end, you need to stay and watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any part of the video you get. And YouTube is not an easy task. It needs consistency and it needs um, focus. You need to focus on your channel so that you will not be left behind. The more you upload your videos, the more you will get a lot of subscribers and you will get the watch hours. So if you just stop posting videos, your watch hours will going to lose, they will go down, and your subscribers too, they will go down. You understand? And that means if you keep posting your videos, you will not lose your subscribers, you will not lose your watch hours. And sometimes, your YouTube earnings used to go down. I don't know whether you have noticed it, and I've noticed it. Yeah, I've noticed it. You need to be checking your YouTube earnings. You will know how it is going. You will know how it's going, and you will know how it's going up, and you will know how it's going down. And I've learned a lot of things from different YouTube creators such as Princess Chamaka and VDIQ and Dan the creator, and we still have Glory C. I don't know all those people. You have checked their channel on their videos. They teach us a lot of things. We are still growing. Princess Chiamaka, she have about 20 something thousand subscribers, and she's really doing well on her videos. So you need to be checking her videos, you understand, so that you will learn a lot of things. So let's move to the main reason of this video. Yeah, the main reason, like I told you before, the main reason of this video is showing you my YouTube earning for last month of March. Yeah, so I'm going to take you through to my YouTube earning for last month. So first of all, you can see I'm going to share my screen with you. You can see, first of all, I'm going to share my screen with you with my phone. So first of all, you will see on the screen now uh, the views that I got from a video that I get revenue is the views are 19,000 views. A video that I got that I created that gave me 19,000 views, and is the video that I'm going to show you everything that happened on that video. First of all, I'm going to show you. You will see this is the end and the views of the video, 19.6k views. Yeah, that's what I got on the videos. The views is 19.6k views. And again, you will see how viewers found this video. You understand how viewers found this video. You're going to see it on the screen right now. So this is how viewers found this video. Then the next one is how the watch hours. Yeah, the watch hours of this video, of the video that I recently created, that got 19k views. The watch hours is 50 506, yes. That's 506 watch hours. That's massive. You need to really work hard. And again, the average view of this video, you will see it there. The average view of the video is 1 ratio 32. That's 1 minute 32. 1 minute 32 seconds. That's the average view of this video. And you know, a lot of you may have been start thinking that this video, why is it like that? No, we are still going. I'm going to show you the revenue of this video. We are getting there very soon. So now the the unique views of this video is 16.44k views. That's the unique views of this video. The unique view of this video, you are seeing it now on the screen. 16.4k views. That's the unique views of the video that I have. About 19,000 views. That's the unique views. So let's go to the age. Age means people, the age of people that watch this video, their age. You understand? Their age. And on this age I got about 48%. On the age I got about 48%. There are people that has the age about 34 years, 50 something years, 60 years, and 20 something years on this video that they watch. You understand? Those people watch this video. I really thank you for your love and support. So let's move to the geography of this video. Geography in a video means the country or the locations that they watch this video. The locations that they watch this video. Yeah, on this video, on that video, the location that watch the video is Nigeria. People from Nigeria, they are the ones that they watch the video so much. Yes, they are the ones that they watch the video so much. And yeah, Nigeria and Ghana, yeah. Nigeria and Ghana, they are the ones that they watch the video. Nigeria and Ghana. So let's move to the main topic of the video. The main topic of this video is about the revenue. So YouTube actually paid me $8.37 on 19,000 views. Hey, this is so wonderful, Sha. Yeah, this is so wonderful because I didn't even expect this. You understand? You know, Nigeria, they are, if Nigerians they watch your videos, you know, you're not going to get high revenue than US, UK, and Canada and Australia. Those are the countries that they pay higher revenue on YouTube videos. So Nigerians, they are the ones that they watch these videos so much. They are the ones that they watch, following by Ghana. My Ghana people, God bless you all. I love you. Thank you for your support, for sharing my videos, for liking my videos, for commenting. God bless you all, my Ghana's people. Yeah, I I thank you all for the massive love. Yeah, so the RPM of this video is 0.43 per 1k views. 0.43 per 1k views. I think, yeah, they really try. But imagine now if this video had about $1 per 1k views. How much do you think I could have made? Could have made like 19,000 dollar and $19, not 19,000. I mean $19. That's what I could have made on this video. But I still thank God for everything. That's what I could have made on this video. You know, the RPM and the CPM, they are the ones very important. If your RPM is so high, you will get high revenue. If your RPM is so low, you will get low revenue. And you know, advertisers paid $1 on this video. Advertisers paid $1 on this video. Yes, and the RPM is 0.43. 43 cents per 1,000 views. So like I just think, had it been I had like $2 per 1k views, I could have earned like times two of 19, like 19 times two. That will give you, that will give us 19 times two is about, I should have get like 30, no, I should have get like 20 or 30 something dollar. But still, I thank God, thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I really appreciate and I love you. I will see you in my next video. I'll be updating you about my YouTube and every month. So this is for the month of March. You understand? This is for the month of March. I just update you right now. So for this month is coming very soon. When I got my earnings, I will show you how much I got. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment your thoughts on this video. I'll catch you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.